In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Editor X in Wix. As you may know, Wix is transitioning users from Editor X to their new platform, Wix Studio. So, if you're starting a new project, it's advisable to begin directly in Wix Studio. Whether you're creating a new website or transferring from an older platform, this guide will walk you through everything you need. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the official Wix Studio. This is your portal to creating and customizing your site. Once you're there, you'll see a clear Start Creating button. Clicking this button is your first step to accessing the wide array of design tools and functionalities that Wix Studio offers. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to start your project. Wix Studio provides a few options tailored to different levels of expertise and needs. You can start from a blank canvas if you're feeling creative and want complete control over your design. This option is great if you have a clear vision of what you want your site to look like, as it allows for maximum creativity and customization right from the get-go. If you prefer a more guided approach, you might consider starting from a template. Wix Studio offers a wide variety of professionally designed templates across various industries and styles. This option saves you time and gives you a strong starting point that you can further customize to suit your brand's unique personality and needs. If you're looking for something even more dynamic, you can choose to generate a site structure with AI. This innovative feature leverages artificial intelligence to create a site structure based on the information you provide. It's a great choice for users who want a quick setup while still having the flexibility to tweak and adjust the design as needed. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable with the classic setup, or if your current project calls for it, you can select the option to Build with the Wix Editor. This is a good option for those familiar with the previous Editor X or for projects that require specific functionalities that are more aligned with what the classic editor offers. So whether you choose to start from scratch, use a template, or let AI guide you, Wix Studio provides the tools and flexibility necessary to bring your vision to life. Remember that with each option, you have the opportunity to customize and adapt your site to reflect your individual style and needs. I hope this gives you a clear overview of how to switch to Editor X through Wix Studio and highlights the possibilities available to you. So go ahead, explore these options, and start building your next great website. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to assist. Happy designing!